Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in meta ads, and that is how to add music in your image ads. So basically nowadays people are more engaging with the ads in which music is already implemented. So nowadays people will react on that as easily, also click on that ad if the music will engage them. So in today's video I will let you know how you can use that music in your image ads, and with the help of that, if you will trigger the visitor with that particular music, then definitely the chances of conversion will be more. So that's why we will use music in the ads, and in today's video I will let you know how you can use it, how you can change it, and how you can use the music according to your preference and ads. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So first of all, as I have already created different campaigns in my ads account, first of all you just need to go to the like any of the campaign which you have created, whether it's a catalog or image campaign. So let me open a catalog campaign, and here you just need to go to the ad section, not the audience, not the ad set section. You need to go to the ad section, and after that, going to the ad section, you will see a option named with enhancement, and enhancement option come at the bottom. So you need to scroll it down, and after that you will see the enhancement option after the creative. I think the key, as I'm using catalog, so the enhancement option will be showcased here. One second. Yeah, so here is the essential enhancement option. So make sure you will go to this option only, so that you will add music and other things in your ads. And music is very important nowadays, because the more music is engaged with your visitors, the chances of converting them and redirecting them to your website will be more. So make sure you will choose a right music so that you will convert the visitor easily. So now you just need to click on the edit button, and once you click on it, you will see different options, different enhancement option, like add business AI, generate backgrounds, add dynamic overlays, image touch-ups, dynamic descriptions, and add product tag. So you will see an option of add music here. So in add music, you just need to go to the customize option. Once you click on it, it will redirect you to this dashboard where the automatically option is predefinedly choose. So automatically apply music based on your media, and it will be choose by Facebook itself. So there is a manual select music option as well, the second one, which you need to choose because you know your business more. So if music is turned on and Facebook has already added any music to your ads, so you can also change it because you know your music, you know your ad well, and you know which kind of music will attract the visitors. So I will choose the second option, music select, manually select the music, and after that you will have the option of choose the music with search for artist, genre, or keyword. You can add keyword, you can add genres, you can add artist as well, artist name as well, to find the music which you want to target. As let's suppose, let's take an example, I want to choose music for a song named Dil Chori, and I'm taking an example. So I will type Dil, and it will give me the option of, yeah, this is the music which I want to select for the particular ads. Like I'm taking an example. If you want to use any other music, you can do it as well. So Dil Churaya is my music which I want to showcase with my ads, because I think that will help us to interact with the visitor more and to convert them easily. So I will select that and save it, and once I save it, the music will be automatically choose here, and once somebody see our ad like this one, so that music will automatically play at that time once they own the sound while surfing the ad. So in that way you can change the music, in that way you can add new music, and in that way you can also if you don't want to add music, you can turn it off as well. So this is the music option which we using right now, and people are using it very carefully, so that people who will engage with their ads will get the exact music which we are working on, and accordingly it will help us to convert the visitor easily and generate good sale. So I think now you are able to do it at your end as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query and concern, you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen.